Thank you for choosing Micro. Today, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Micro Flex Series scooter. Offered in sapphire blue, aubergine, and black, the Flex Series offers one of our comfiest rides. This is largely due to its unique Flex deck that is comprised of a wooden fiberglass composite. To begin, let's remove the contents from the box. Inside of the box, you should have the following items. Instruction manual packet with Allen keys, our fun safety rules printout, and of course, the folded down scooter itself. Once you've removed everything from the box, let's get your Micro unfolded and ready for the pavement. To begin, open folding block latch found on right-hand side of folding block. Next, press in silver button found just above the clamp to engage folding action. Scooter will click into upright position. Finish by closing the folding block latch. This secures the scooter in the upright position. You may need to tighten the folding block clamp before venturing out. Here's how you do so. Open latch and then tighten dial on opposite side. Finish by closing latch. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. If you ever need to fold down the scooter, doing so is quite easy. Simply open the folding block latch and then press in both buttons on the folding block. One button is silver and the opposite button is blue. Make sure to relatch clamp once scooter is folded down. Next, let's get your handlebar grips inserted. To do so, press in the brass tab on each grip and insert into cavity. Make sure tab pops out into the hole on both sides. Finally, let's adjust the handlebar to your desired height. To begin, open handlebar clamp and raise handle to desired height. Finish by closing latch. If you raise the handlebar to the tallest setting, a black locking button pops out to secure it at the top height. This means that you will need to press in the button anytime you wish to lower the handle from the tallest setting. Similar to the folding block, you may need to tighten the handlebar clamp over time on the scooter. To do so, open clamp and raise handle to desired height. Next, with clamp still open, tighten clamp using number 5 Allen key. Finish by closing clamp. Doing so should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Once your scooter's set up, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the two-way kickstand. As you can see, you can kick the stand either forward or backward once you are ready to hit the pavement. Now that your scooter is set up and ready to ride, please take a moment to register the purchase on our website. The serial number on the Micro Flex Series can be found here. Once you have your serial number, please visit www.microkickboard.com/warranty to register the product. You'll want to have your address, serial number, and order number handy when registering. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions or need any assistance. You can either place a YouTube comment below, or you can contact us directly. 888-236-5657 or info@microkickboard.com. Thank you for choosing Micro.